Happy birthday, Grandma!
Happy birthday, Ma! Wish you sana lagi kang healthy, lagi kang mag-iingat. I love you.
Happy birthday, Grandma! Sana palagi kang ingay, maraming chismis at patuloy kang talak ng talak. De joke lang. Mahal na mahal kita, Grandma. Love you.
Every little disappointment, but then you weren't there for the team. Everywhere you go.
Happy birthday, Nay!
Wala ano lang. Magano ka, say healthy lang, saka tumanda ka ng hanggang gusto mo pa. Wala na.
Good health lang. And then, ayun, mabuhay ka hanggang sa gusto mo, Nay.
Yes.
I can still see you small, playing in the sand.
I love you, Grandma.
Yun lang?
Yes.
Yun lang daw.
Hello, Ating Mars. Sana masaya ka. Kahit magastos, okay lang yan. Okay? Just enjoy and let's have fun. Hi, friend. Happy birthday. Ganda na natin, no? Kahit matanda na tayo, no? Love you.
You do. I am forever.
Forever talaga yung ating dito ha. Yung ating mode dito, kailangan enjoy lang. Cheers to good health, my friend.
Proud of you. Someday.
Surprise!
Surprise ka pa, Ma. Lahat to para sa'yo. We love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Love you, Ma.
Win or lose, hear my applause. I love you. Just
Atimbe, happy birthday. Thank you dahil andyan ka palagi at saka andyan ka lagi para sa mga kapatid mo. Ayun, ingat ka palagi and enjoy your day.
Ang wish ko ay kumaba pa yung buhay. Hanggang gusto mo, alagaan ang iyong kalusugan.
I am forever and always in your corner on good and bad days. I am forever.
As we welcome the most waited arrival and joining of our birthday celebrator, kasama ang kanyang mga minamahal na apo, Ancon and Luis. Palakpakan po natin ang ating birthday girl, Bobita Baby Zambrano!
You are made of love and memories, softer body, stronger heart. All the moments you've collected are what brought you here today, and you would never, ever trade those ocean hours, forming freckles on your face.
Kaya nagpapasalamat ako, nagkaroon ako ng kapatid hanggang ngayon. Nakatulad ni ating best. Na siya kasi yung kapatid na meron testimony. Mahal na mahal ko lahat ng mga kapatid ko. Lalo na ako, 81 years old na. Sana maabutan niyo yung edad ko rin na ito. Kasi alam ko naman, katulad kita makain ng gulay ito, hindi kami mapagkatnihan. Kain gulay, isda.
Growing older and more beautiful. You're growing older and more beautiful. You're growing older and more beautiful.
Para kay baby, happy 70th birthday. Here's to many more years of good health, happiness, at pagiging Bebang wishes forever!
Happy birthday, Grandma! Love you! Thank you sa pagtututo mo sa akin nung bata pa ako. Happy birthday! We love you!
studio ni Kuya Will maliit lang eh. Oo, dapat ganun din yung energy natin po. Para mamudmud sila ng mamudmud. Oo. Hindi po tayo magsasawa. Ayan, naubusin yung pera nila. Nagiging daw silang cash prizes si malulutong pa. Oo, pero natira pa po din ng 20.